Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan Hollandaise sauce. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need raw cashews, which form the creamy base, along with nutritional yeast for that savory, cheesy depth. Don't forget a touch of black salt. It's essential for giving our Hollandaise that classic eggy flavor. A little lemon juice and Dijon mustard will brighten everything up. Next, ensure your cashews are properly soaked. This step is crucial for achieving a silky smooth texture. Combine all your ingredients in a high-speed blender and process until there are no grittiness or lumps. Take your time here to get it perfectly smooth. Taste and adjust the lemon juice, salt, and other seasonings until the flavor is just right for you. Now, it's time to gently warm your sauce. Transfer the blended mixture to a small saucepan and heat it over very low heat, stirring continuously. It's important not to let it boil, as this can cause the sauce to separate or curdle. As it slowly warms, you'll notice it begins to thicken, reaching that perfect Hollandaise consistency. Serve your delicious vegan Hollandaise immediately over your favorite dishes. It's absolutely perfect drizzled over steamed asparagus, a hearty tofu scramble, or even as a rich topping for veggie burgers. This sauce is incredibly versatile and elevates any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.